undone me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, maybe sing with me a la peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. My breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, is short. Look into your heart and you'll find love. I'm yours. No, I to the music of the moment. Come and dance with me. No more, no more. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved. I'm sure no need to open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Well, look into your heart and you'll find love. I'm yours. Listen to the music of the moment. Come and dance with me. I'm not happy, very short. It's our God-forsaken right to be loved. I'm yours. Listen to the music of the moment. Come and dance with me. I love peaceful melodies. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved. The sky is yours. So I open up your mind.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y ipinaglaban ko na. Ginawa mo ng lahat para sa'yo, sinta. Ngunit bakit ba ganyan? Di mo ba napupunan na ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y lumalala na? Ilang beses mo na rin akong pinapaiyak, na di mo rin namamalayan na napapahiya. Sa tuwing kasama mo'y iba, ako'y nasasaktan. Di na ba nawawala na ang pagmamahalan? Wala nang kiss pati good night kapag hinahatid ka. Tapos sasabihin mong ako'y iyong mahal pa. Baby girl, alam mo ba ako'y nahihirapan na, pero di pa rin susuko dahil sa mahal kita. At kahit na ako'y masaktan, para lang ako sa'yo at di kita iiwan. matagal patutunayan ko sa'yo kung gaano kita kamahal. Baby girl, ikaw lang ang iibigin ko. Di kita pababayaan, di luluha, di luko. Sana ako ay balikan, sana ako'y pakinggan mo ang gilid ko. At kahit na balang araw ako'y iwan mo, di pa rin magbabago ang puso ko. Ako'y para sa'yo, ang gilid ko. Kahit may ibang mahal ka na sa puso mo.
Makasama ka parati ay masaya. Alam mo yan noon pa man sabik sa iyong ganda. Mga ngiti mo at awa na walang kasing lupit. Ang pagtitinginan na walang kapalit. Sa bawat pagdaan na mga araw ay napuna. Hindi okay na malamig ang puso mo sinta. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo. Susundan kita kahit ika'y ngayon lumayo. At kahirapan man ako nang walang katapusan. At kung ako'y ipagbalik, handa akong masaktan. Pumatak man ang luha sa aking mga mata. Pupunasan ko ito nang di mo mahalata na ako'y nasasaktan kapag lumalayo ka. At iniiwan mo akong nag-iisa sinta. Malaki